Want to know a secret? Let's do some taunting.
It's a secret.
So what we got here is a little bit of secrets and taunts. Hopefully, this is an annoying deck.
So annoying!
We have some magnetic. I've never tried that before, but it's all mostly taunts and secrets. Let's see how annoying we can be.
You know, take candle.
You know, take candle. A friendly minion dies. Summon a copy of it. Storm it for 1 turn. Let's load up a secret. Oh, damn. Haunt and Divine Shield. So I want to put that next. Play this to the left of a mech to fuse them together. So I need another mech. Oh man, gonna kill that one. Let's just do that for now. Yeah. I might not have a chance to put anything out here. Alright, so now we have 4. 4 mana crystals. That's it. That's there.
Job's done. I'm ready.
He got too much out here. I'm gonna get smoked. Battle cry, give minion, adjacent minions. Font. You don't have any secrets. Is that a mech? That's a mech. Let's fuse that together. Okay, cool. Let's see what happens here.
Access denied.
Ooh, interesting. Secrets. We'll put a secret out there.
That minion a turn to get ready.
Alright, well, he can't get ready, so after you fuse them.
For Nazata.
Ooh, my. Take that. We'll take that. That'll cry. Destroy enemy secrets. He doesn't have any. Give adjacent enemies +1 and taunt. That is a taunt as well.
I wonder.
So it took a minute to get rolling.
Why do you call?
Took a minute to get rolling. We're rolling. Ooh. Got them all out there now, don't you?
My shield for Argon.
So we got 2 secrets laying here. Go ahead and hit them with that. 4.
Job's done.
Okay. 21 to 17. can you play different secrets? Which secret do I have rolling here? After your opponent casts a spell, an enemy attacks your hero. Well, now we got too many damn secrets.
I wonder.
Can we switch? Friendly minion is attacked.
I know who you are.
Right.
Into the
Sure.
furnace.
End the turn. I need that one to pop off. That's gonna be a problem. We got too many damn secrets.
I wonder.
It'll be our little secret.
Delicious.
Okay, now. So you can have more than one secret. I wish I would have known that.
Access denied.
He's probably like, what the fuck?
You know, take candle.
Discover a secret from another class.
Were you followed?
Your heroes attacked gain 8 armor. Ooh. That could be fun too. Because he might hit me with... we'll go with the ice barrier.
Deploying countermeasures.
Just between us.
Job done.
Alright, alright. Can magnetize to mechs and beasts. That's a mech.
Deploying
See ya.
countermeasures.
I like that. That's fun. That's fun.
Now that's some good, clean fun.
Alright, so now we're playing the Lich King. Okay.
Let the hunt begin.
Starting hand. We got a secret. That last game was fun. Let's see if we can do that again.
Job done.
Throw a secret up there.
Job's done.
Finally, my ancestors are useful.
Battlecry. Give all Battlecry minions in your deck +1.
Leave bones, please.
Bye-bye. So that is a... So we can't do that one yet. Discover a secret from another class.
Were you followed?
Ice barrier. It's a 3. Kidnapped after your opponent plays a minion. I don't know what that means. Stuff it in a 0/4 sack. When your hero is attacked, gain 8 armor. Kind of like that.
I move quickly.
Oh, now we're gonna load the secrets up.
This is not what we stood for.
Oops. Minion attacks. So that's a good one. So give adjacent minions 1/1 and taunt.
My shield for Argon.
So now the question is, that 3 is gonna kill this thing. That's a 4. Don't want to hit it again, do I?
That minion already attacked.
That'll kill that one, so we don't... He's probably gonna go for that, though.
Finally, my ancestors are useful.
Bye-bye.
Me have that for you.
Oh, so we need to wipe that one out. We have a minion. We have a mech. That is the question. I don't think none of those are gonna work for me. So let's get rid of that.
Taunt is in the way.
Okay. Bit of a learning curve.
What we stood for.
Taunt and Divine Shield. Adjacent minions get 1/1 and taunt.
My shield for Argon.
And whoa, over there!
Job done.
Oh yeah? Can do that. Fog Beast.
Into the breach!
The dark path is my destiny.
This is a good game.
Reach for the skies!
Alright, let's see what he does here. Yeah.
And serve your king.
Got a lot of shit going on here. Oh, ouch.
Need a guitar?
Oh, snap! Snap! Snap!
Shit! Charge, bitches! Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good night. Yeah. Pretty sure he just rage quit on that. He had me. He had a tough hand, man.
The light shall bring victory.
Let the hunt begin.
All right, we got holy damn secrets. We got this loaded up.
Secret! Secret!
Let's try it. That last game was a lot of fun. Too many secrets. Oh, all kinds of secrets. I like that one. Tact.
I was quickly done.
Enemy attacks. Hero, summon a 3-cost minion as the new target. Loading up the secrets. We are sitting at 3, so we have a taunt. Infuse. What is infuse? Upgrades in hand after X friendly minions die. What is X? 3 maybe. Enemy minion. Go ahead and attack me. Ooh.
Your body will sink to the depths.
Bye-bye. Ooh, game changer. Do we throw out some more secrets, maybe? When a friendly minion is attacked, give it +3. That's a good one. There we go. Okay, now we're looking at a 6/6 card in the turn. With all battle cry minions, and so that's a 3. So we can go adjacent minions 1/1 and taunt.
My shield for Argon!
Swim with death.
Bam! That's 12 damage. Ooh,
What you want?
nice. Nicely played. Well played. Enemy minion attacks, return it to its owner's hand. Wonder... Where do we go? Bog Beast. Well, it's his secrets.
Into the breach!
So that will get rid of that one.
We must cleanse the Sunwell.
What's it gonna hit me with first? Bye-bye. We don't have no secrets. Confused. Now a 4/5 card. It is a Bog Beast. Next secret you play. Alright.
One shot, one kill.
Deal 1 damage.
My compliments to the ship.
It'll be our little secret.
Twist this, tighten that, and bolt over there.
Job done.
Okay, so he killed that off. That has a
What
taunt.
you want?
That has a taunt. So he's got 2 taunts out there. Let's get rid of that one. So that's a 4/4. So we need to play this wisely here. So either way, we're kind of
And over
screwed.
there.
Or, I hate to do that.
Just between us.
Wipe that out. Cat check. He's got 2 health left. Magnetic.
Access denied.
Just between us.
See ya! Bam! 30 health. Now that's a good deck. Hope you all enjoyed that. I am going to be doing some more videos with this because that's pretty cool. So if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, drop me some comments if you got some good tips or something down below. And if you're interested in Magic the Gathering Arena, I have a few videos on that as well, so give that a look. And I am going to be playing some more TCG games, card games, stuff. I got a ton of them downloaded on Steam, so check them out. Thank you for stopping by. Until next time, OOORAHH.